Welcome to Shorthand Simplified. Let us continue with the sentences. So sentence is may we take. So may we take Polly and Jack to see the parade on the 4th of March. Next, we shall make up a party and have lunch at the cake shop. We are making a tour of Italy in March. Our party should be in Rome on the 4th of the month. We shall get back to Canada in May. The usual charge for parking at the garage was £1. We saw a copy of the rare book in the shop window. It should pay the firm to go on the air daily. One thing you can remember here, to go. So while writing to and go, you have to put this O vowel here. Otherwise it is difficult to transcribe, because to and go, this can be to give or to go. So if you are writing to go, you have to put vowel sign, and if you are writing to give, so just to and give. Next sentence. Polly King was put in charge of the factory early in March. We can put a mark in red at the bottom of each page we check. Mary and Jack are to be married early in March. We wish to go to the wedding But they may be married. But they may be married in Rome, and it will be too far away. We shall ask the lawyer. We shall ask the lawyer to talk for an hour. To talk for an hour. They will take. So they will take lawyer. A lawyer load. Sorry, this word is wrong. Lorry load of coal to the shop today or tomorrow. Next sentence. Wrap the package. So wrap the package and mail it today. We think we ought to insure the package. Next sentence. We have given them no authority to change the policy of the firm. We get our milk at the dairy farm, and we usually pay our bill monthly. The living room was at the rear of the shop. The door was too narrow. And we had to remove it to get the large package into the room. Mary, whose memory was poor, read a different page of the book each day. We can change the collar on the fur wrap today, and lady may come in for it tomorrow. So these were the sentences. In the next tutorial, I will be giving you a practice dictation. Thank you.